Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, everyone. Pretty sure I have chocolate chip cookie just mushed all in my teeth. So of course I'm doing a lip swatch video or a lip focus video. Hello everyone, it's Kendall here. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up? Home skillet biscuit. Ignore my nails. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you know the story of why I can't drive to get my nails done, because I may have literally murdered my car. So a few videos ago, I briefly mentioned the idea of doing a video that's focused on sheer lip products, and I didn't think anyone would care, because usually people say in the video like, yeah, that would be cool, but they don't like follow up in subsequent videos to be like, hey, but where is that where is that video idea? But I've had quite a few of you actually say, but actually, where is that video? So today we're gonna just talk about products that are kind of sheer. I personally would consider myself a self-proclaimed sheer lip connoisseur. I find them to be a lot more convenient than like a full lip or even like a proper lip gloss. I find that they're just a lot easier to wear in conjunction with other styles. Like, they look good all the time. They look good when you're not wearing makeup. They just look good. I also found while I was sitting here rummaging over all of the products that I have that the majority of them are K-Beauty. I know generally I use a lot of lip products from K-Beauty. I just tend to prefer them, or products that are suspiciously like K-Beauty lip products. I will have everything linked down below as far as like the line or whatever line it is, but not color by color. I'll mention the colors, but just for ease, I'll be like, hey, this is a product, whatever. So let's start off with sheer mattes. Okay, sheer mattes I feel like are they the most usable? I think so, because it allows you to do a matte lip, but it's not super daunting. It doesn't really matter if it like kind of goes on the line around the lips, because it's meant to be kind of lived in and kind of, I'm saying kind of a lot. Dare I say skin-like? Like, not that the color is super natural per se, but it just looks texturally quite natural on the lip. It's not glossy. I think a lot of people think of Glossier Generation G. I've had better products in this realm, so I don't love these, especially after the reformulation. I'm just gonna pick a random color. This is Zip. Like, it looks pretty. It's a pretty color, prettily on the mouth, but one, it smells like crayons, and that's very off-putting for me. And also, I just don't reach for it. I reach for products that tend to be more liquid when they're matte sheer like this. That might just be a personal preference, but the smell and the taste too is very like off-putting for me. I used to really, really like the Leo one, this brown one, when they used to be in like a slimmer tube. That's the two mixed together. That's pretty though. But the taste and the smell is very crayon-like, giving me kindergarten 64 pack with the sharpener at the back. So instead, like, another option are like sheer matte tints. These are from VDL. Vintage Orange, that's what it's called. That's Vintage Orange. It's giving me blotted lip. It's giving me wearable but cute. The color is like a little bit more lively, so it's showing up, but it's like, she's not pretentious. She's easygoing. Also, I find that these are a little bit more moisturizing. These are from a brand called Romand, who makes my favorite lip tints across the board. I love them. They make the best lip tints in my opinion. This is their see-through matte tint, so meant to be tints that are see-through and matte. I'm trying to not pick the same colors over and over again, but these have kind of like a matte gel formula. The other ones are a little bit more moussey, whereas this is more of like a sheer gel. And this is Pink Fold. That's just one layer, by the way. These in particular, I feel like build up really well. So if you wanted to do like a more intense color, you could. Like, at no point to me does this look anywhere near as like opaque as like an actual liquid lipstick or even like a proper lip tint. But if you want, we can get a little bit more impact, a little more punch in your face, a little more pink. Actually pink. Also, of the ones that I've talked about so far, I feel like those stay the longest. Like, they stick onto the mouth a little bit better. They build a bit of like a thin film. So if you don't like the way that feels, I could see where it'd be a little bit annoying. My lips are gonna be so raw by the end of this. I just talked about the blotted lips from blotted lips plural ColourPop. These are just the ones from the Sailor Moon collection. If you want to see the Sailor Moon collection video, I'll put that up above so that you can check it out. The color that I'll just put on is Usagi. These definitely have a very thin, almost liquid lip type texture. I don't think it's the most moisturizing way to do this of all of them. I feel like the most nourishing is the Romand. I think this is a very pretty color and a very pretty way to wear this color, because otherwise I would not. I should wear pink more often, damn it. This is pretty. Like, of all of them, I feel like this looks the most matte. So if that's what you're going for, like you want it to look as matte as possible of the ones we've talked about, ColourPop. I hesitate to mention this because I don't actually know if they still make these anymore. But this is the e.l.f. Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I loved this color in particular. This is Warm Verbena. Oh, that's cute. Similar in many ways in texture of the VDL one though. A little thicker, a little moussier. I think I applied a little bit too much so it wasn't coming out as sheer as it's supposed to. I think it's such a pretty color. But yeah, it's comfortable. It's a little moussey, but if they do still make these are nice. They're also, you know, it's e.l.f. so it's not super expensive. ColourPop also has Just a Tint. These are like, I wouldn't call these matte per se. They're like a balm tint. So it's nice and sheer, but it is very much so, oh, I can just put this on, big ass chubby pencil, and it's like, it's golden. This color, by the way, is More Than Ever. I hesitate to bring these up as well because I don't really know if these are easily accessible outside of Korea. No, I got these from YesStyle, but it was touch and go, sis. These go out of stock, or they're hard to get in stock, so it can get a little funky doing that. But these are the 16 brand finger pens. I really, really liked these. Like them. I just haven't used them a whole lot recently. They are a tint that comes out the end after you click it. And then there's like a little foam ball at the end that allows you to blend it out without using your fingers. The color right here, this is Poppy Red. So there that is. I really like, and I've always liked the application method of these because I don't have to touch it. And it's just so effortless and just naturally pretty. I do feel like on camera they're not coming out as sheer as they actually are, but they are really like muted against the mouth. It doesn't look like, oh, that's a lot of product. Super like effortless. I don't have to sit there and be like, oh, do I have the line straight? Oh, is it gonna bleed? I'm so ashy. Chaotic energy is what you subscribe to. I think we're ready to get on to our glossy finishes. First, you got your gloss sticks. These tend to be sheer lip glossy colors, but they're in a stick form. We have the Kaja ones here. These are the, what are these called? Heart Melter lip gloss sticks. This color is number 5, Honey Bunny. I feel like these are like a borderline product though, as far as like sheer, because if you apply them enough, they definitely will have some color. Also, for them to be like a lip gloss, quote unquote, they're still not super shiny. Actually, I think I should have put these over with like the Balm ColourPop sticks, Just a Tint sticks. They're the go. That is cute. I am with it. I have SOS from DPR Live's new album stuck in my head so bad, and I'm not opposed to that. I feel like that's all of us winning, honestly. I have like a sister brand of Kaja, or the other way around. Kaja has a sister brand of I'm Mimi from Mimi Box. Want you bare lips. These are thin and easy to carry, so I kind of like the vibe of that. This is in the shade, I think that's 001 Dodi. That's cute. Laneige also has these, what are these called? Something gloss stick. I can't really read it with the thing on top of it, but this is number 10. It doesn't really say the name on it. But again, a similar format, just a longer tube. She's cute too. A little bit heavier on pigmentation than some of the others, but still would consider this sheer. I can very much so see my lips through this, so we're still on the sheer side. It's just, she's a little bit more color. My lips are so raw. M Cosmetics has one color of this product, so I didn't even know if I wanted to bring it up. But when they did the Magic Hour collection glow thing, she's a little bit more shiny. She's a little bit more like substantial with like texture, like a lip mask. She's cute. I'm gonna need them to come out with more colors. Can I just take for a second and gush about M Cosmetics? Because I love them. I'd say over the past year, M Cosmetics has been the brand that's been like, oh, so like everything you make. is really good. Frustratingly so. My favorite eyebrow cream, my favorite brown liner, and I want to get this liner in black, but I have it only in brown. The serum blushes are fire. The what is it called? Something Clementine blush. Yes, daddy. The Magic Hour collection is gorgeous. I just love it so much. It's Tis Fire. Tis what it is. Misha Glow Lip Blush, which I assume they're supposed to be used both as lip and blush products. Should I use this color? It has the funkiest applicator, if it will. It has this little like ball on it, and it has the weirdest texture. It feels quite silicone-y. This feels like a primer. The overall look I feel like is very similar to other products that we've talked about so far. I don't know, I feel my lips like slipping and sliding. I don't know if I like this. It's okay. I think it looks pretty. Can we talk about my baby Roman? So when I said I like Roman, I got all of them. These are the Juicy Lasting tints. I also have their like special edition fall colors too, because those are gorgeous. These are beautiful, and I wanted all of them. Like, they aren't all red. A lot of times Korean brands in the lip tints, they're all just some form of red. Like, I love this. Nudes. And there's so many nudes. What is this? Like, what is this? I've never seen, I don't think I've ever seen a lipstick this color in any way. A lip product. Any product, really? This color. Have you ever seen an eyeshadow this color? It's gorgeous. Sorry, I didn't mean to come for your neck, but perhaps your soul. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. And obviously you just saw me put it on. But the thing is, this one isn't super duper shiny. It's just hydrated. And again, a little bit of a film. If you don't like that, probably wouldn't be your thing. I don't mind it, so it's fine. Hold on. Would it be weird to mix these two colors together? Because it's like a magenta. Huh, no rules. Did I say coming for your neck? All right. I love it. I love every part of it. Also note that all of these products ultimately look good, like with most things. Like, granted, my eyes are quite neutral today, but like there's such a wearable format to wear color. This type of opacity. But of course, note that if you're going to be wearing more than one on top of each other, or more layers of one than the other, some products do build quite nicely. So if you want it to be a little bit more involved, you can. Like, you see, you can still see like the line of my lips and whatnot through it. So they're all sheer, but some have a little bit more, some have a little bit less, some blend even easier than others. So it's just an easy way to wear a product. Like bringing out a liquid lipstick and making sure your lips are even. And because nothing ever is. And then you eat, and then it like rubs off in the middle, and then it looks all nasty and unkempt, you heathen. And then and it just looks bad, and then you have to reapply, and it was so stressful to put it on the first time. Why put yourself through that, sis, when you could be livably comfortable and like a sheer lip? Make your life easier. Smarter, not harder, friends. Work smarter, not harder. So I don't even know if this video was at all helpful. If I had to do my top 3, the Juicy Tint from Romand, I wear those so much. Also, they're mousse tints. They're not a sheer, so I didn't want to put that in this, but they're like original tints. Gorgeous, amazing, beautiful. They're all kind of red though, so the color doesn't differentiate enough for me sometimes, but it's just like you find your 1 or 2. A balm. So these are dope, these ColourPop ones, and the Romand see-through ones. Those are matter. So those are options. Well, all of these are options, but those are my personal favorites. This is just a video talking about how much I love Romand and M Cosmetics, even though I didn't really show a lot of M Cosmetics in this. It's a very Michelle Phan brand. It's like everything is super meticulous and very artsy and well thought out. I love it. Why did I roll my eyes like I didn't live for that? I love Michelle Phan. Hi, Michelle Phan. You're not watching this. I love you and everything that you stand for, and I always have. Well, anyway, that's it for today, folks. If you like this video, be sure to like this video. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Twitter, both of which are KennieJD. If you have any other requests, be sure to Sorry, I have not had my coffee today. If you have any other requests on videos that you would like from me, be sure to put them down in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. We do it for the thumbnail.